For the dough, we need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups milk, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, egg. So these 2 cups of milk, I will transfer this one here. And then we will add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we will add the yeast. And then we will stir it. We'll stir for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes foamy. So after we stir it, we will just gonna set aside. So now I have a flour here. We will combine white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and then we will mix it. So now we will combine the flour mixture and then the milk and then egg. Now if you have a bread machine, you can use that one, but I don't have, so I'm just gonna use it like this by hand. So anyway, this is our dough. Just set aside. So for the filling, we need 400 ml water, 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, 2 cups granulated sugar, 150 ml of condensed milk, 16 ounces of cornstarch, and another 500 ml of water.
Milk. And we will add the butter. The granulated sugar.
So while waiting for our mixture to boil, I have water and a cornstarch. So we will add this mixture to the pineapple, that way it will get thick. So now we will add the cornstarch mixture, and then we will stir it continuously so that it won't stick into the bottom of the pan. So guys, this is for our filling. Look at that. Put flour also in our rolling pin, that way it won't stick. So we will sprinkle some flour on our baking pan.
And then we will cover it.
I have 1 tablespoon of milk here, and then we will put a drop of yellow food color.